Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Honestly, we're gonna get straight into it because Bastion has been following me around the house, whining and crying and begging me to take him outside for like 30 minutes, knowing he went out late. So if you go out late in the morning, that means you get to go out late in the afternoon too, right? Or we not on the same time, I don't know. I'm gonna try to go for an IG Baddie today. IG Baddie, I feel like that's like my personal go-to makeup anyways. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. Honestly, when it comes to IG Baddie makeup, I feel like the first thing that matters the absolute most is our eyebrows. First thing you wanna grab is your concealer. Y'all, I do not give a fuck. Sometimes I like my eyebrows to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades lighter. I don't care. But I like to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Like, you really don't even need a brush, honestly, when you use this. You know, some people will be against that because they say that it picks up on the oil and stuff of your skin. So, I still ain't gonna use no damn brush. Anyways, put the product that I want to use there. So let me get up close and personal. So now that I'm in your face and you're looking at me dead in the eyeballs, where do I look? Here to look you in the eyes? Ooh, yeah, here. Okay, yeah. Now that we're looking at each other up close and personal. Yeah, okay. All right. We are just going to carve them out. Having eyebrows that are freshly plucked is a big plus here, because we literally can just follow the guide of our eyebrows because we don't have any straight hairs. But when you have straight hairs, you'll have to cover those up, so you have to be a little more precise. But in this case, we have just literally, we're just following that line right underneath, like we're outlining it. That literally took me no time, maybe like 2 minutes max. This is my YouTube music playlist. I know what to do to have. Yes, anyways. Move my hair just a little bit so you guys can see. And there's no straight eyebrow hairs in the way of anything either. Lie to me and tell me this ain't slaying. It look kind of crazy right now, but we gonna blend it, okay? Look, top is the easiest. In the front part, I like to kind of like use the concealer and just do that. I'm gonna take an angled fluffy brush. I've been using it for my brows for years. I don't know what it is about this brush, but this brush right here, she be blending my eyebrows. So very gently, I'm gonna blend the top and the bottom. And voila. What the fuck? You guys see that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I didn't even tell you guys where we're going today. Girl, we are getting dolled up and becoming an IG Baddie just to go to the grocery store. The primers that we're going to be using to become an IG Baddie so that our makeup lasts all day while we at the grocery store. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and then I'm also going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip. I use this at my T-zone and then I use this everywhere else. I was debating on doing makeup today because it's Monday. And I don't have nothing to do today, so I'm like, I might as well, you know. I thought I had a couple doctor's appointments today, but they were actually scheduled for Tuesday. And I'm like, yes, thank God. I thought that the appointment was today on this glorious Monday. And I had a really long night, y'all. We're not gonna talk about it. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna walk him around 9:30. He lets me sleep in. He's very understanding. That boy understands English. I don't care what y'all say. Dogs understand English, okay? I'm just gonna lay in my bed until my appointment. Then after my appointment, I'm gonna get up and have breakfast and stuff like that. Y'all, 11 o'clock hits. 11 o'clock hits, and I'm like, bro, how do I get into this appointment? It was like a virtual appointment over the phone. So I'm like, how do I get into this appointment? They didn't send me a link. I called the office and nobody is answering. Like, I'm so confused and I'm getting irritated at this point because I'm tired. I just want to get my appointments out the way so I can eat breakfast and lay back down. Finally, I make contact with somebody at the front desk and the lady's like,
ma'am, your appointment isn't until tomorrow. Was that correct?
And I'm like, oh, hold up. My appointment is not until tomorrow. She's like,
yes, it says January 13th.
And I'm like, bruh. I told her, I was like, you know what? It's fine. That's completely my bad. And I am so sorry. I will see y'all tomorrow. Boop. I'm gonna use Fit Me foundation. You already know. This is like, y'all think I'm rich or something? I'm using a product until it's gone. I'm using products until the bottle is empty. I'm using products till it's drops coming at. I'm using it till there's no more drops coming out, okay? Y'all, my man's birthday is coming up in like 3 days. Oh my God. We're both Capricorns. He's the first Capricorn that I dated ever in my life. And I'm like, bro, is this me? Because you're high maintenance as fuck. And I'm a Cap, so I'm like, bro, is this how people feel when they date me? I'm not really big on the zodiacs, but I do like to entertain the idea from time to time. They always describe Capricorns as hardworking. They say we're too serious. We don't have any fun. Super career driven, antisocial. I feel like every single time people talk about Capricorns, they always associate us with like the worst characteristics, even though none of those characteristics are necessarily bad. Like, yes, I am a hard worker. Yes, I am kind of an introvert. It takes me a while to open up to people, but I'm fucking cool as shit. I'm cooler than a lot of y'all. Like, stop fucking playing. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Definitely the most unique zodiac sign that you'll ever meet because we have multiple layers. You just have to get beyond the first, okay? I don't know why people be hating on us so bad. I don't like that. So I'm about to speak up. I'm speaking up for them. I'm speaking up for us. I'm speaking up for my fellow Caps today, right now. What time is it? 3 p.m. I'm speaking up for my Caps today. They ain't gonna keep clowning us. The fuck? I had to say something. I got a little passionate because that's how I feel for real. Like, I feel like people are always talking shit about Capricorns. Like, chill, homie. And you chaotic as hell. But you think it's fun to play games with people. Some of y'all zodiac signs be chaotic as fuck and y'all be like, ooh, that's your problem. Y'all be wanting all this chaotic energy in your lives. And you wonder why you can't get a handle on nothing. You need a Capricorn. Real earthy, real grounded. Yeah, the fuck? Get you one. Y'all, I just be putting my concealer anyway because sometimes I do the same base all the time. So I'd be like, what can I do to be different? So one time I was different and I did squiggly lines on my face. That is in one of them videos. I'm not too proud of that. Okay. Since I've been dating my man, sometimes I feel like I'm having deja vu because like a lot of the stuff that he does, I'm like, oh my God, I do that shit. Like, being with him is so weird sometimes because I feel like I'm looking at myself. It's a relationship where we're both constantly learning, and because we're both Capricorns, it's like I'm asking him like, what do you want to eat? What do you want to do? And this man, oh my God, y'all, he's like, I don't want to do nothing. I'm like, oh, but I'm taking you out to eat. Like, it's just dinner, it's just lunch, whatever you want. Like, you're off. Let me just take you to get a meal for your birthday. And then you can have the rest of the week to do whatever you want. And he's like, ugh, but I don't want to go out to eat. I'm like, what? You don't want to do, it's your birthday. Like, come on. Like, he's like, I don't like celebrating my birthday. I don't want to do anything. I just want to relax and did it. I'm like, I get that, but I'm just like, let me just at least take you out to eat. Like, let me just at least do that. And he doesn't even want to do that, y'all. But he's a very, very hardworking man. So I try not to push him into too many things that he doesn't want to do. And that's really why I got to get some more girlfriends, because this man ain't gonna keep wanting to go places with me. I'm gonna have to drag his ass. Life really is something that needs to be celebrated, and that's not talked about enough. Even if it's something small, you know, show gratitude, because at any point in time it could be over, you know. It doesn't necessarily have to be a birthday celebration. It could be a check-in. Like every year on your birthday you check in with yourself and ask yourself, like, am I getting to where I need to get? Did I achieve all my goals? Like things like that. Like, I'm just gonna blend these edges out with the foundation brush. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. I picked this up at the beauty supply store and I use this under my under eyes to brighten it. I haven't looked back since. Starting on the outside and then bringing it in. Starting on the outside and then bringing the powder in. I'm setting it right away. I'm gonna set the top of my lip because I've noticed I've been getting oily right there. And with the Fit Me powder to set the rest of my face. Super set, super snatched. Just going in with the Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with this color and I'm just gonna bronze the fuck out of my face. I want to be really snatched, so I'm gonna be using a lot of product today. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Forehead as well. The chin and neck area slightly. I've been taking it all the way up to my brow bone right here, and then I literally just follow the bone. Like I can feel it. I do like to add a tip as well, so I do put some right there. I'm gonna do something a little darker today. This one is the NYX Buttermelt Blush in Butter with Time. Butter with Time. Look at how pigmented that is. I'm freaking nervous. So we're gonna knock that off a couple times and move. Okay. This is one of those blushes you gotta be really careful with. All right, okay, that's enough. Perfect. So circular motions around my face basically to try to get everything in this area to blend together. I set my under eye like in place for 3 days. So I'm definitely gonna have to use some setting spray to bring some life, some youth back to my face, because girl, I wasn't even trying to do all that. But look, if you going somewhere or if you taking pictures, look, your under eye will be set. Then with whatever remaining blush, I just put that on my nose. Tour this brush. I feel like I do kind of notice the difference, because with this one I feel like I'm seeing lines on my face, where the other one it was just like kind of like more warmed up. But I don't really see chiseling. I'm too afraid to do too much because I don't want to look too harsh, and I am already pretty heavy-handed with makeup, so we're gonna leave it at this. Let's see if we can do something really thin today. We're gonna cross our fingers and pray. Not bad, honestly. But this is not the challenge. Number 2 is, look at this wing. It's nice and thin and they're mostly the same. Yep, I shouldn't have did that after my wing liner, but it should be okay. So I always put something under my eye. I literally cannot help it. I just feel like it completes the look. Make sure everything blends when we do apply the lashes. Just a little mascara on the bottom. I'm not gonna do too much today. Keep in mind when you do that, it does kind of bring the eyes down. So I've noticed it can kind of make the eyes look droopy. I'm gonna take this color in the middle of my contour palette, and this is what I'm gonna use to line my lips today. And today I'm just going for kind of like a plump look, but nothing like super crazy. I want to try like a different lip. I ended up going with this random lip gloss that my boyfriend got me. So it's like a brown reddish, I feel like. It does have like a small tint of red or peach in there, because shockingly, my boyfriend has got me some cute ass makeup. He just be guessing. He told me he literally goes in the store and he's like, I think she would like that. And then he gets it for me and it's always something that is so cute. Like, what? This same highlighter that I've been using the last couple of videos because it's literally all that I have. All my other highlighters broke. Go ahead, put that down the center of our nose and the tip. Our brows, of course. I did the thing where like it's still in the inner corner, but I bring it up and down a little bit. Like, I don't really know how to explain it. You guys know I'm gonna go on top of my highlighter with a white highlighter, so you guys are gonna be able to see it show up more. But this is what I do first. I like to put this down as a base. So I'm just gonna, I like to go between brows and just put a little bit and then like blend it into circular motions. And boom. I'm gonna put it there. So it's like you're trying to start an eyeshadow look, but you're just keeping it in the crease right here. I feel like it brings out the nose contour more, and then it brings out your eyes as well. So it's just like kind of adding more depth and more dimension to the face. So now this is like my favorite thing to do. I swear it is. And then I like to do one. This is the finished look. This would be my definition of an IG baddie. I feel like IG baddies are like soft glam, but they're really like extra, like snatched, like chiseled. Like if I wasn't having to record all the time and I had to choose one set makeup look to wear for the rest of my life, it'd probably be something like this. Because I just feel like it's timeless. Girl, I'm not trying too hard, but at the same time, I'm snatched, I'm put together, so I love it. This is like my favorite style of makeup. Alright guys, well, if you have made it to this point in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I don't know, should I do an OOTD? It's really gonna be something simple because we're not doing anything but running to the store today, so I'm just gonna throw on some jeans and some wedges. I guess I'll show y'all an OOTD because that's what we're here for, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure that you leave a like. Let me know what you want to see next, because I don't know. I know Valentine's Day is coming up, so we're definitely going to do something for Valentine's Day. I do have a try on haul coming up for you guys soon. I'm going to keep it a wraps of what the theme is going to be, but it's going to be juicy and it's going to be nice, and oh, it's going to be so fun. I guess I'll show you guys my outfit for today. All I'm doing is running to the grocery store to get a pack of noodles, but who knows? Maybe we can get somebody grandpa to pay for it.
The boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much, don't play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rug is heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome. The boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he grip walking to me, just lost, and then he slapped me on the way that I got. Oh, problem, he get too baggy, me, got all that action, go, and Mr. Handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you been tricking on. I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.